The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has emerged as a compelling choice for users who want premium features without paying flagship prices. Priced at $649.99 for the base model, it positions itself as an affordable yet feature-packed device that can compete with more expensive smartphones. With standout features like a vibrant display, impressive battery life, and AI-powered capabilities, a Galaxy S24 FE offers a user experience that feels premium without the premium cost. The Galaxy S24 FE brings a refreshed design with minor but meaningful tweaks compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 FE. One of the most notable changes is the frame's flatter sides, giving the phone a more secure and comfortable feel in hand, while the back panel remains largely unchanged with subtle improvements like less reflective metal around the camera lenses. The overall design feels refined and more modern. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is larger and brighter this year, offering a peak brightness of 1,900 nits, significantly more than last year's model. With thinner bezels surrounding the screen, the front of the phone looks sleeker and more aligned with current design trends, despite the slightly thicker bottom bezel. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, a step up from Gorilla Glass 5, adding durability for everyday use. The phone also boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, giving it an edge in terms of durability. One of the most exciting aspects of the Galaxy S24 FE is its camera system, which mirrors that of the flagship Galaxy S24. A slow-mo feature, which uses AI to artificially add frames to slow-motion videos. A major improvement is the 11% larger vapor chamber for cooling, which helps manage the phone's temperature during intense tasks, such as gaming or video editing. With 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB, the Galaxy S24 FE is well equipped to handle everyday tasks and more demanding applications with ease. Samsung has heavily marketed the AI capabilities of the Galaxy S24 FE, but the actual implementation can be hit or miss. Features like Photo Assist, which allows users to manipulate objects within images, offer a fun way to edit photos but struggle with more complex tasks, like removing objects with shadows. Similarly, Sketch to Image lets users create AI-generated images based on their doodles, but can deliver inconsistent results. On the other hand, more practical AI tools like Chat Assist, Call Assist, and Interpreter work well, though they require manual language pack downloads, which could be inconvenient for frequent travelers. The phone runs on Android 14 and comes with Samsung's One UI 6.1. The impressive 7 years of software support makes the Galaxy S24 FE a future-proof device in terms of security and updates, providing peace of mind for long-term users. Battery life is one of the areas where the Galaxy S24 FE aims to shine. With a slightly larger 4,700 mAh battery, Samsung promises longer usage times compared to last year's 4,500 mAh, appealing option for users who want a high-end experience at a lower cost. If you're in the market for a capable smartphone that won't break the bank but still delivers flagship-level features, the Galaxy S24 FE is definitely worth considering. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.